Hey, what's going on, Dealer Talk family? Let's talk about leads. One of the things that I really like about Facebook is the ability to create leads, right? We can use Facebook data and the specificity of the information that Facebook offers in order to create very targeted campaigns and generate leads. And we're going to be talking about that for the next couple of weeks. But before we do that, I wanted to show you how you can connect your CRM to these Facebook efforts so that you can track the activity. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. So first things first, right? Go to your Facebook page, go into Publishing Tools, then navigate towards Lead Setup. And then once you're in here, you can search for your CRM in here. So let's say it's Dealer Socket. Just say Dealer Socket. There it is, right? You can hit connect. And then from here, you can either choose to connect with Facebook or you can do it through LeadsBridge, which I would highly recommend that you do it through LeadBridge and create an account there. I'm not going to go further here because I don't want to obviously share information from one of my dealer clients' CRM, but the point of this video isn't to set it up. It's just to show you that it's available to you, and you can actually connect your CRM to your Facebook efforts, so that number one, you can have just a better response time with those prospects. And number two, as I show you in the next couple of weeks, the actual campaigns, and we look at generating leads through Facebook, you can tie this portion of the setup to those conversations. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can connect your CRM to your Facebook efforts. A couple of things I will preface. Remember what that consumer or potential buyer is there to do. They're not there looking for a vehicle. So if you've caused them to click, right, to generate a lead, then you have to take action on that very, very quickly. The longer it takes you to respond to that inquiry, the more potential you have of losing that interest. So I would definitely treat these leads as high priority and make sure that you get in touch with that potential buyer as quickly as possible. That's all I have for today. I'm here to help. And as usual, we'll talk later.